Mitharay promise batu Livingstone. Kila ban kelat ya kan ni?
Kata terkasih ngaki kan. Saya am beliau. Bagi beliau ndola temian kilong biang kelung. Kini baru armut kelaki samla biang.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
For that time, not even a question. We are teachers. We are the one who are supposed to show good example to others. And why should we do that? That's not even a question. So please, make some place for others.
Ki Nonghikai ki bajuhikai ya ka subject vocational ha ki school bapher ke jalla ki badan hapo ka shatri jong ka Meghalaya Vocational Teachers Union ha ka shitarek ujemang arja phunriau kila pelong ya ka jia ki ka bajai da ka bara plakad na mot pran ban letur sya ka jialang bala pelong da ka Meghalaya SSE School Association bat ka Meghalaya Food Teachers Association ha Madan student jayau ha ka balai simentalang do menteri rangba ka jalla u konrad ki sangma bat ki menteri sarkar. Henry tang supoi hakasinong mission compound ki Pulit kila pakhang lenti yakini ki Nonghikai klem da ailat satya bakin lektor samaran student.
Right from state coordinator, Advocacy ni ni wana Meghalaya Vocational Teachers Union. Kumba piltip Advocacy ba UCM in release yang kita new pay structure jongki Nonghikai. Kumba ngi yo iba almost di Nonghikai kila yo ayat new pay structure jongki. Tangba yang ipat ki vocational teachers jongka vocational education kelempat include yang ni lalong kumba ki syuklat ini kumne takadang imta kesni ni wan daga same kubakhoy ban wan pen kalong kumba syupen I Plakad show ba ngi don kam ngi kwa ba kin include yang ni hapo kana ganega new pay structure kumba ngi lete ba connect vocational education kala point ngi la sedang ka adu 2017 hadu mentang impat yo ka kum ka increment ne ka new pay structure ne ka job policy hadu menta ya ka demands hapo ka office level ngila pan nadu senem 2019 but hadu mentang impat yo haga minister level but hadu CM ru ila dep summit ya ka demand jongi kum ka job security ka new pay structure but menta ya ka naga new pay structure kumba kila ya kini kiwe pat Nonghikai kumba kawai ngak pak ban pentip seki way seki public ba kena ke vocational education ni ki Nonghikai vocational ni sim class na do 9 to 12 tolong kim kumbang le ajak kikam ke jongka secondary level but ka higher secondary level tang ba ka pe ka bingi yo tolong ka kamyama chai tele sebenang sekendau kumba ngilaban ong ta te ta ka daw ngi ngej ba ngi don hop si saban yo nega new pay structure nega equal pay for equal work lada ngi ong ba kumira kam jongi dalong kumba kono barang kumba ngi lele ajak ikam tang bang yo pe tang ka wei ka pe kata ba bompat biang te ta ka daw ngi mutagas ngi like penni peaceful show na yo UCM tang ben yo bat mentip ya ka demand
một phần lệnh bên hàng tôi chỉ cả bảo phần lòng gì
lan lệnh bên hàng tây in the bank tây it's a peaceful show so there will be no problem about it before ban penkut ya ka jengkeun jong nga kwa ban ai boleh kiwe ki Nonghikai batila ngakwa ban ai congratulations siki batila yo ya ka jing demand jong ki but yo so jong ki from our side all the best congratulations and all the best to all of you. Thank you. This is a peaceful person. We just want to start.
We just want to.
So you still
need the permission, huh?
It's just a peaceful one. No? Just we just want to show. We just want to show Plakad.
Madam, because we already submit the memorandum to minister and chief minister, but still they forgot us. Now we have most of the students, they will stand there, not the students, the teachers, but us now they are leaving us outside.
All the
This is
teachers
not fair.
inside are happy today, but we are the only category of teachers are not happy. We are happy for them. We want to congratulate them. Okay, no doubt about that. We are happy for them. But why they exclude us? That's the question. That's what we want this CM. We don't even want to talk to him also. We just want him to see us. To see us. And next time he can call us to his office. Do you know that for how many times we have tried to meet him also? We are not getting appointment. What should we do? You tell me. You tell me, madam. You tell me.
For any kind of demonstration.
Yes.
Some other time officially.
Yeah, not
That's what we no sir. We have tried. I can't even count how many times we tried. See, this is the file that we have sent to them. Right from the state coordinators, we have already sent our demands. Right from the state coordinator. That time, unfortunately, we couldn't meet him. But to Sarakam, we have met him countless times. Okay. But till now we haven't got any response. Whenever we came to meet him, he was still examining. But till now for 3-4 years, what kind of explanation is that? We want to know how they examine it. If they don't know, then I will guide them. We are teachers, I think at least for that. We just want to stand there. We just want the CM to see us, that's all. Or just do one thing. From which way CM will pass later after the meeting. Just choose us a proper place for that. We'll stand there with escort, with that tight security. You can call more security, no problem about that. But let us just stand there. We just want to show this is a democracy country. We have the right to do that. We just want that only. Please help us just with that only. We are teachers. We are teaching your students also how to become like you. Officers in future. Please let us just do that only. Just choose the spot for us. We'll stand there. That's all. We just want the CM to see us. We didn't want anyone to see us. We just want the CM to see us. That's all. Nanti kelihatan ini apa kaji sisa dari mengiba, mastangnya ka, apa implementnya ka ubi. Tempat air yang right from state coordinator.
Nama competition jungi kam judai ka touch lane kam kodyat madiat. They are never our competition. Competition jungi kidai mangi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mengisak suddenly di email pa jong apa di amba yan penkala no syaka guest house la ne ka homestay kan por bangi penkala ngi ai kerten ka orange homestay tingi sedang sya no ka forums tang ba no ka forums ni sotho ba ma nomor ni dang dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni la ban expand na kadau ka floor jong ki tourist kila sedang bod ading ngin sala ban expand jo showroom at current ni dan khasan Habawan kun kini kita kum mga ngonong mo mga Pulit for Institute of Hotel Management kum kini ki big companies bawan shini kalong big opportunities hingi ki yun bangin yo company ha jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma ha bangin la dak Pulit tingi jaka bangin tap shabar ngi la yo ban tap ak state la jong ki tourist ki long la ka jong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang oleh sa he'll go for touch la ne who want that luxury experience oleh touch budget travelers kilai hakim hotel tekidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha pam kini ki instay ki tang kata hang la ban ka pakam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners la ne ki instay la ne kiwai ki bentaro recently ngadang shu receive ka wai ka award ma katin ka gold award jang ka sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka tekan ka ni ka way company ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lo dia boro ka trahi ban promote lo dia boro